All right. With that, let's go over the PC user workflow. It's pretty similar, except you don't have to unzip the file. So you're going to get a one package file. Click here to download. Super similar. You'll come to this type of screen. It won't preview it because it's a ginormous notebook. And I have all of these uploaded to my Google Drive. So just click a download here or download this icon or file download. And then let's just go back real quick. So make sure when you do this process, before you download it, you have you have OneNote open on your desktop app. That is the best way to make sure this goes very smoothly. Then you'll click the OneNote package file above, download it as I just showed you, and you come to that same screen. So again, I include screenshots. Then you want to go to your downloads file explorer, right? So it's, your yellow folder, usually on the bottom here. I have a bunch of them open and make sure you're in downloads. And then you should see the ultimate OneNote Hub there. So to open the file, you just double click it or click it, and the open package contents window will appear, which looks like this. So it's just a screen that says, hey, do you want to open this file? And you say, yeah, I want to open it. Then what's cool is as long as you have OneNote open, you'll be asked to unpack this file into OneNote. And this basically allows you to select where you want to save this file. So you can rename it at this point as well, change the color of the notebook, and then find the path. Now you can save it locally, like this one. You can see it's saved on my computer. But also saving in OneDrive is best for it to sync across platforms. So regardless of if you're using a Mac or a PC, I would advise try to make sure you have this file saved or uploaded to your OneDrive. That way, no matter what computer you're using it on or your phone, it will sync. If that's not important to you, it doesn't matter where you save it. But if you're having trouble with syncing, that would be something to check. And that hit create, and your notebook should look exactly like the other one that we showed for the Mac users. Here's the order. Voila.